Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change or set camera video resolution size on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.2 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back again. So in order to change or set camera video resolution size on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to scroll down to camera. So let me go over there. So here I have this camera. After that you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opened. And after that guys you have to come to this option, record video. Okay, so just tap on this, and you can see guys I have this record video, this is screen opened, and you can see guys currently I have this option selected. You can see the check mark beside this. Okay, so the option is 1080p HD at 30 fps. And you can see guys also we have other options. So the first option we have is a 720p HD at 30 fps, and other option 1080p HD at 60 fps, 4K at 24 fps, 4K at 30 fps, and 4K at 60 fps. So just go to the option that you want and then tap on it to select that. So suppose if I want this option 4K at 24 fps, then I need to tap on this to select it. So let me tap on this, and you can see this option is now selected. And if I go back, you can see I have this option record video, and it is set to 4K at 24 fps. And after you're done guys, you can close your settings app. So let me close that. And if I open my camera and go to this video tab, you can see it is now set at 4K at 24 fps. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily change or set camera video resolution size on iPhone running iOS version 14.2. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.